আমরা শূন্য ব্যান্ড একবার পারফর্ম করেছিলাম আই থিংক ওখানে আমরা নোটিস করেছি যে you guys have a lot of passion for music and of course the cultural activities and you've proven it today again not only you guys on stage but of course the crowd the support a big round for all of you. It was an amazing performance. I would like to say about the band bandের সবাই খুবই ভালো performers. The drummer you remind me of Tony Bhai from Black. I don't know if you have learned from him or not. Okay, you will look like him. So yeah, we were discussing that he's still Tony Bhai student, and of course an amazing violin player, the guitarist, the vocal, everyone was amazing. So big hand for him.
Southeast University. First, I'm Kushi regarding the dance performance because it was synchronized and the costume, the performance. You are the performer, you know. You should not just a singer. Also, you have a performance. So, সবাই একটা costume-এর জন্য effort দিয়েছে. That's really good because আমরা just শুনছি না, আমরা দেখছি. So, সেখানে তোমরা effort দিয়েছো. That was really good. Thank you. Band was really good. Drum যেটা এমনি বললো, so এই ব্যাপারে আর কিছু বলবো না, but I'm happy. Thank you.
Disappointed?
No. Dance was amazing. আমাদের গানটা যেটা নিয়ে বলবো গধুরের ব্যাপারে, এটা শুনলে মনে হয় যে খুবই ইজি একটা গান, ভেরি ইজি গাওয়া যাবে, আসলে অতটা ইজি না, গাওয়াটা খুবই টাফ, বাট আপনি খুবই সুন্দর গেয়েছেন।